Are made from a cast from the originals that they had. They're new, but they were made from the cast from the old ones. There used to be 2 at the bottom and 6 up top. So once we get the fountain restored,
Okay, so all the levels are plants?
there's a level here, and then you go up the stairs, and that's a walkway.
Oh,
And then
okay.
the second level's there, and then the top level's plants.
And
Yeah,
what
you
are
can
they
walk
gonna
all
plant down here?
Well, we have a problem with this Japanese knotweed that looks like bamboo,
Yeah.
and we're trying to kill it. And that's what that's all about. That's an experiment.
So you don't want the knotweed, or?
No, we don't want it. We want something like this.
It's a good ground
myrtle.
cover.
But you can't kill it easily, and it makes these runners come out. And, at least you get it poison against it. I would be probably dying. But it was like 6 foot tall in here.
So you're just trying to cook it.
Yeah, that's one of the ways that they say you can get rid of it, is to cook it, cover it up.
All right, you all set?
All aboard! Let's go!
There's a cat down there.
But,
Weird part is that we live here, and I didn't know that this was operational.
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll have the steam engine running, the 1904 steam engine. We have to have a special guy.
Yes.
I was sure I could ride on that train.